Namaskar and welcome. You're watching The Awaz and I'm Janvi Parekh with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. Chief Minister Dhami will inaugurate Dehradun's famous Lachhiwala Nature Park today. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami will inaugurate the renovated and newly modified Lachhiwala Park at 5 p.m. today, which is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the capital, Dehradun. The park has been completely regenerated and made very attractive. Lachhiwala Nature Park has got a new look. Park was closed for tourists since March 2020 due to the COVID-19 infection. Meanwhile, Doriwala MLA Trivendra Singh Rawat, being the Chief Minister, prepared a plan to renovate it. After arranging the park with entertainment and facilities, it will be inaugurated today. After this, it can be started for the tourists as well. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami distributed Rs 35 crore subsidies. With the view of growing the industrial sector of India, Modi government has taken various steps by introducing several yojanas and schemes, and working with this perspective in the mind, CM Pushkar Singh Dhami is putting all his efforts by providing the required subsidies and plans to the primary sector of Uttarakhand. In a tweet, Dhami said, "Today Rs 35 crore subsidy was distributed among the beneficiaries of Industrial Development Scheme 2017. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi's efforts are being made to provide better environment and facilities to the industries to make the mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat a success." Soldiers to host the tricolor on China's border. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh flagged off the soldiers by virtual flags. As a part of Amrit Festival of Independence, the Border Roads Organization and army teams left Joshimath on Friday to host the tricolor on the China border areas of Niti, Mana, Rimkhim and Satopant glaciers. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh flagged off the 22 Grader Unit of 9th Independent Hill Brigade through virtual medium along with BRO personnel. Army personnel will host the tricolor on various peaks of Satopant glaciers. Soldiers will host the tricolor in China border area on August 15, said the BRO commander Colonel Manish Kapil. Here, Brigadier Krishanu Shah on 9th Independent Hill Brigade Joshimath told that Satopant is the path of truth. That is why the army has chosen this glacier to host the tricolor. To reach this glacier, one has to go through various dangerous roads. Flying the flag high there is no less than a challenge. Security on board. Haridwar on high alert. Borders will be sealed from this evening. The preparations of 75th Independence Day is going everywhere around the nation with utmost enthusiasm and dedication. Celebrations and joyous is everywhere around, but amidst all this, the Uttarakhand government is all set with necessary safety and security in the state. A high alert has been issued in Haridwar. In the view of this, the security agencies are on alert mode. Joint checking drive is being conducted by GRP and RPF at railway stations. After Haridwar, the police has released the route plan for the program to be held in Dehradun Police Line on Independence Day. A complete zero zone will be followed during the program. Non-identification of the Delta Plus patient created the risk of spread of the disease around the state. The negligence of the health department has come to fore. Delta Plus patient has gone missing in Udham Singh Nagar district. The health department has taken the help of the police to find him. The patient could not be traced even after 3 days. His mobile was switched off. When the man was Delta Plus, there was a panic among the employees and officials of the health department. When information about the patient was collected from the confidential level, there was nothing in the records of the health workers except the name and mobile number of the patient. In order to get the information about the man, a letter was written to SSP on behalf of CMO office in which the help of searching the man was sought. When the police started investigation, the mobile number of the patient was found to be switched off. The mobile number of the patient is being told of Madhya Pradesh. At present, there is a risk of spreading the disease due to the non-identification of the Delta patient. Thank you. Keep watching The Awaz for the latest updates.